If your washer stops spinning or draining, a repair call may not be necessary. This fast factory reset can fix many common washer problems in just minutes. This reset method applies to Whirlpool, Kenmore, Amana, Crosley, Roper, and Maytag washers, and requires no tools or special knowledge. If the reset does not solve the issue, see the linked video that explains washer error codes for additional troubleshooting. Factory reset steps. Step 1. With the washer powered off, turn the control dial counterclockwise 1 full turn. Step 2. Within 6 seconds, turn the dial 3 clicks right, 1 click left, then 1 click right. Flashing lights confirm the washer is in diagnostic mode. Step 3. While the lights are flashing, turn the dial 4 more clicks to the right and press start to reset the washer. Step 4. Allow a few minutes. If the washer powers off and the lid unlocks, the reset is complete. Thanks for watching.